आमी हांगा स्टाफ आमच्या सबस्टेशन नेवो सबस्टेशन इनॉग्रेट अजूनय करपाचो आहा आमी बाद्यान येयल्ली आहा बिकॉज फ्यू डेज बॅक दे वॉज रियली बॅड प्रॉब्लम लोड शेडींग करीत आसलें ताका लागून तो सॉल्व करपाक म्हणून आमी आमच्या सी स्टीवन आमचे ही आहा आनी सगळे येई जेई ऑफ ऑल द विलेजीस सोयी विलेजीसाचे आनी आमचे मदें आमचो झेडपी आहा सरपंच आहात सगळे डिस्कस सगळे एक एक गांवचे वॉर्ड मेंबर सरपंचाक घेवन त्या येईक घेवन आमी डिस्कस केले मेन थिंग म्हणल्यार आतां फाल्यांच आमचो एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर शोली गोजीकडे लास्ट देवतेर आहा पळय तो वाडयेर दॅट हॅज टू बी कनेक्टेड टू द नेक्स्ट ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ताका HD कर म्हणून सांगला पयलीं आमकां ते येईन सांगलेले रोड कटींग करता म्हणून बट रोड कटींग परमिशन आतां पावसान जायना ताका लागून काम बंद उरलेलें आतां ताका HD करून तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर कनेक्ट करून घेतली फाल्यांच ताका हांवें खूंय ते होल मारतेले ते म्हाका करून दी म्हणून सांगला सो ते जाले म्हणटकूच आमचे शिवोली मान्ना ओशेल आनी सोडियाचे ट्रिपींग ऑलरेडी सॉल्व जाले 2 मंडे साकून सॉल्व जाले बट इट वील द फ्लक्च्युएशन्स वील गो इवन लेस मागीर रिक्वेस्ट केला आमच्या स्टीवनाक की आसगांव आनी अंजुना 2 गांवां सो टीम एकूच आसता टू लूक आफ्टर फ्लक्च्युएशन्स ऑर ट्रिपींग सो आनी एक टीम घाल म्हणून सांगलेली ते आमच्या सीन दिता म्हणून सांगला एन वॉट एवर मायन्यूट एक एक वॉर्ड मेंबराचे बसून आमच्या येईन जेईन आयज आयकलां सो आय वूड रियली लायक टू थँक सी फॉर कमींग हियर एंड लिसनींग टू आवर ग्रीव्हन्सीज आनी आमचो होय सबस्टेशन आमी वेग्यांच्या वेग्यान इनॉग्रेट करतली आनी सारको प्रॉब्लम आमच्या बार्देजाचो म्हणटा तो स्पेशली आमचे सालिगांव कलंगूट आनी शिवोलीन सॉल्व जातलो जेन्ना आमचे सालिगांव सबस्टेशन एज सेड बाय सी विदीन 1 मंथ दीस फूल जुलाय पासून तो इनॉग्रेट जातकूच आमचो सालिगांव कलंगूट आनी शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो सारकोच प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जाता
फेस्टा प्रमाणे म्हाका हिंगा येवचें पडलें कित्याक लास्ट 10 days म्हाजो प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो आतां लास्ट 10 days मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट मे बी न्ही बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट आनी ट्युरिस्ट ऑल्सो मातशें येता बिकॉज आतां स्कूल हॉलिडेज मात कंप्लीट जाता सो लास्ट 10 days द लोड हॅज इनक्रीज बाय 15 to 20 megawatt फॉर द कोस्टल बेल्ट and therefore the existing lines and a substation was getting overloaded. Now there are 2 reasons for getting it overloaded. We knew the load is going to come, at least 10 to 15% of this area is going to rise. Therefore this Baden substation we were supposed to commission by 15th of May. So it just got delayed because all the commissioning related activities are over of the substation. But external activities like civil works, compound work, such things are remaining. So we wanted to charge it only when everything is completed. Now since the load has increased, we have taken a decision to charge this substation and they have already charged some feeders. With that already relief is been given to this area. Secondly, to aggravate this matter, there was one issue with Amona. Amona, one of the big transformer has failed. That also we have got the spare parts, we have got the additional breakers from APP Hitachi, and today by midnight that work also will get over. So we have sufficient load, there is no problem. Temporary overloading was happening because we had not charged this substation, and to add to this, Amona, one of the transformer has failed, which is also done. Now to give additional relief to North Goa Saligao substation, 3 into 63 MVA. So that substation is completed in all respect. Few activities, small activities are remaining which are going to take another month. So right now this problem is resolved. Again, as per the request of the ZP members and the Sarpanch, they have requested for few calls in the night because we have only one vehicle. So we have said for the temporary period, for next 6 months till monsoon get over, we will provide an additional vehicle and additional team. So that by which we are going to restore the power supply immediately for any footfalls in the villages. So this is how, by charging this Bali substation, by replacing the power transformer 50 MVA at Amona and at Saligaon, all these problems are going to be resolved. They are already resolved. So if
कितलो
any-
टायम लागतलो ऑलमोस्ट बिकॉज चडशे
No,
आमी
it is-
बिकॉज पयला की चडशे विलेजीस आसा कालूय तेंच्यांनी प्रोटेस्ट केलो आनी फक्त तांकां आश्वासनां मेळटा की ना लायट येतली आनी 2 दीस जाता आनी परत आहा तशी फ्लक्च्युएट
No,
जाता
last 2 days there are no trippings. We have observed, we have monitored. So there are this problem is resolved. Madam also had called me up 3-4 times, and because of which the substation we have charged. So after charging, we had to be kept commanding 24 hours under charge condition. So after that, we have released the load.
सर जेन्ना आतां लायटीचो प्रॉब्लम जाता तेन्ना एक्चुअली कोणाक पडटा तो कित्याक जेन्ना नॉर्मल पर्सन कॉल करता पळय तेन्ना तुमचे जे आसा पळय ते टायमार फोन उखलिना ते ऑपरेट करना
Yeah. See, normal practice is 1912. But sometimes, there are so many calls, you will not be able to connect to 1912. That time, I told them JE and AE should be on site to take care of all these calls. But in normal condition, they cannot answer the calls because they are also sometimes busy in the restoration of line. But in case if the problem is going beyond our things, then they should be here. AE, AE and JE. And right now in front of you all also I have told for monsoon and for this period since the problem had come, JE will answer all the
आनी
सर
सर रातच्या
ते नासता कित्याक जेन्ना कितें प्रॉब्लम जाता ते येतात वयता आपले गाडयेन बसतात आनी ते चल्ले कितें इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता
आणि मेन प्रॉब्लेम सर रातच्याच वेळार कित्याक जाता आनी रातच्या वेळार कॉल केलो इफ लायट ना जाल्यार ना आमची काम चालू आसा रातच्याच वेळार करता ते बिकॉज दे आर ऑन द ड्युटी थोड्या लोकांक कामाक
ना
वचपाचें आसता.
रातचे दिसाचे तशें नासता ते तुमकां कळटा रातचे की तुमी घरा आसता आनी तेन्ना न्हिदपाचो टायम आसता दॅट्स वॉट तुमकां कळटा ते दिसाचे प्रॉब्लेम आसा आसतले सपोज रातचे वेळार ते हायलायट जातात सो दीस प्रॉब्लेम्स आर रिजॉल्व नाव जावचो ना एश्युरन्स म्हणून आतां समज झाड पडलें लायन तुटली देन दोज आर डिफरंट दे आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल एक झाड पडल्यार 3-4 पोल पडटा इन नॉर्मल कंडिशन ते शूड नॉट
सो 2 दीस पयलीं म्हापशेच्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाची इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नासली 4 वरां आतां बेसीक जी नेसेसिटी आसता त्या हॉस्पिटलान बिकॉज खुबशे पेशंटूय त्या टायमार आसता अशी जर परिस्थिती कित्याक जाता डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल बिकॉज इट्स अ गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल
डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाचो इश्यू आय डू नॉट नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॅन फेल 3 hours इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वॉज नॉट देयर नाव ग्रीड पावर आसता पळय 220 kV lines 400 kV lines which are very very high means it is 4 lakh volt so those lines are coming from other states then grid supply can fail if certain trees get uprooted branches fall transformer can get lost city between various equipments in the land so we always try to get it restored as fast as possible in hospital is something different service necessity during this kind of tripping they should have a internal arrangement of DG. Now DG cannot run continuously but whenever grid power fails for some time there should be a backup from the DG. Now I do not know whether the Mamsa district hospital has the DG or not but every hospital should have a diesel generator for taking care of backup whenever the grid supply fails. That doesn't mean I am running away from the responsibility. When tripping happens, we have to immediately restore it. But sometimes, let's say the interstate line also trips. There is a procedure of 2 hours to restore it without even touching the line. So 2-3 hours, sometimes, not always, can fail. But during that, we need to have a backup. So that is the hospital responsibility. So I don't want to say that they have or not, but every hospital should have a diesel generator for a small backup whenever there is fails.
तसं आता पावसाळा सोंपा लागीं पावलो जेन्ना
शूज दिला टूल बॉक्स दिला सगळें दिला
कित्याक यूज करता
एक्झॅक्टली सो वी आर ऑल्सो ट्रायंग टू फायंड अ मेकॅनिझम हाव टू गिव द पेनाल्टी हाव टू मेक हेल्मेट आमकां त्रास जाता म्हणटा ते वॉचे घातल्यार त्रास जाता सो दीस इज अ प्रॉब्लेम दीस नॉट अ एक्सक्यूज सो तुमी आमकां हेल्प करा केन्ना फोटो घालो मिडिया घाला दॅट आर द ओन्ली वेज वी कॅन इम्प्रूव इट अदरवायज तेमचेर एक्शन घेतल्यार तुमकां सस्पेंड करची पडटा तुमची सॅलरी वता देन यू नो द फॅमिली गेट एफेक्टेड बट दॅट इज ऑल्सो नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज but media also should help. The media is like, if they click a photo and put it on the media,
That
and all,
means
it might
media
help
has to
us.
highlight
We
the-
are also, we are
So
issuing
their
certificates.
life is not their responsibility.
Exactly, so that's what I'm trying to say. No, every life is their responsibility in spite of giving all the safety equipment.
पण गाली नाला तो उद्या करतो.
No, but
Yeah,
that's
but
clear.
जीव गेला त्याचा जीव
That's what-
माणूस
He has to take care of
take care.
तर त्याची काही कारवाई केली
कारवाई करताना आम्ही पुन्हा मेला त्या मच्छीची मागणी आणि ते आता पेनाल्टी घालची चिंतला मेमो इश्यू मेमो लेवून सस्पेन्शन करचे पडटलें पूण देर आर सो मेनी पीपल हू आर नॉट यूजिंग सो इट्स लिटल अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन बट वी ट्राय टू
Sir, in this entire meeting, you know, opposing for a mega project.
I want to propose a mega project.
That project which is.
No, what I'm trying to say, they will question me whether enough power. I said enough power is there. But the enough power if it has to reach to the doorstep of any company, hotel or any establishment or the domestic consumer, there should be place for us to put the cable and RMU that will provide us and we will provide it. I am not open, please do not.
अंजुनचे लोकल जे आशिल्ले आयज जेन्ना खंय तरी हांगासर एक जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन किंवा तुमची मिटींग जाता तेन्ना तुमी आपोवन आशिल्ले हो ते मुद्दम येवना
I really don't know. I send message to each and every ward member of all the villages to come and give their grievances. I said.
काल जेन्ना येदो व्हडलो प्रोटेस्ट जालो तेन्ना ती
See, that was काल झालो त्याच्या पयले मंडे साकून हे सॉल्व जालें. So it is not that it is solved because they came yesterday. It was solved from Monday. But हांव तेच्या पयले आमच्या इंजिनियराक कॉल करीत आसले सी he had given me date to date. But on their own they had solved the problem from Monday.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.